She don't know nothing about washing, nothing about cooking. No, my son's supposed to be on the road, man. Boy, rough for me, you know. Can't find a perfect woman. No, I know say them well
Papa, you now go cook. Who you talk to?
Yeah, my son talk to you. The Satan just arrived. What you think you do now?
You now go cook. Me hungry, you know.
You know, so, come to think of it, I think it's time for you to go home, you know? Because we can't cook and wash. And all you do, you come every minute, you come torment me. You're perfect. Look at my son. The son just coming with his girl them. One after the other. And then come cook. Why you can't cook? Eh? Go and pack up your bag.
Pop.
Go and pack up your bag. We're tired like you now. Pack up your bag. Oh boy. Come on, come.
Like your ear, no? So, after that, then, something kind of free. Oh, God. So, what's popping? We have icky and thing, and we like icky there. Your boyfriend can wait expect you on.
No, sir. Alright. So, which boy that?
Oh, nice boy, meet. Right now, my boyfriend, me, I go meet. I just feel so not meet up, but what going differently? I'm going to look so. I was me a best friend now. Can't tell me anything.
Okay, girl. Remember, look man I'm that talk to. I'm dead, you know, so. Not really focus on the man right now. Just I go and ease myself. But me alright differently.
When that self me I know that. Oh God.
Yeah, just 2 days ago, you know. But I try to get over it and something. Can't burn down myself because I eat, you know.
Alright. Don't make that worry your brain because you're frightened dead. Me get one man. A man who can't take care of you. Are you girl? Because you're my friend and I don't want to see you sad. We go a road, you do something nice and thing, and go a road and take your mind off of that. Right? Are you darling?
Anything you say, now, girl, you never get completely good, you know. But you can say so. When you see what go on.
Me never had complete nothing good, but this time don't worry. You see you big me. You big me this time. You go. Right now me hungry and thing. You can't bother. Check my allergy my energy.
Forever.
Want to go on the ocean? Want to go on the road? Want to see my boyfriend?
Alright, do it now.
Hold on. Let's see if me okay, mate. Hey, you drive.
So wait there. So, I know you're not introducing me to your family.
You know, I just time, do everything. I can't just bring a go meet my family, man, I not drive it. I afraid till I drive it, till I drive it. But I be the funny way soon, land.
I'm not business about that. I come over here, no one, no family. Me can't be a woman and I left out too much things.
Alright. That is supposed to over there, you know. Now go over there. Come on.
No, me see you later.
Yeah, me, man. Big yard this. Daddy, I've been upstairs, you know.
Eh?
But I don't believe it. Daddy! Old fox! I'm most one of the old girl here in gone, you know.
So come into me. Not for your house.
Hold on. So, Daddy, you have a nice firearm, you know. You shoot me. You have to hold on and wait. Just go in on him, so. Come on. Old fox! This one like the one that they have, so. You just hold on and cast and very fast and plan this today.
What are you doing?
Oh, sorry. My name was in your
What do you mean by the nose of me?
Yes, on milk. Yeah.
Oh, I have some girlfriend.
Yeah. When they?
They're back, see, I'm not about too fast, that too set here. Brad!
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You know our friend, I say,
Yeah. Yeah. We have one for the single, yes.
You know, so, you know? Son will be with you, and they're all back, so.
Yes, Daddy!
Somebody out here, Gio!
Yes, Daddy!
Yeah, girlfriend comes here.
Really?
Man, don't say that can look for me today.
Why?
So, see? You have a good man, you know. You treat him like a good man. Woo! So,
I miss you, so I come with you.
Daddy, want the privacy?
You know, all the privacy we can take, I can get upon the road. Come, we come something else.
So,
Upon the road, we're going to know the privacy.
yo, come on, let's have more in the house, you know.
Come on, dear. No to that the old man.
How we are call old man?
Oh, yeah, so you go up, so?
Yeah, yeah, introduce to my friend.
Alright. Come on, bad man. Make your man strike. Now, if you.
Man, that's a fight. Where you going?
Chop,
Go on.
chop grass.
Let me try to get a chop on the privacy in the house. Go on.
Chop grass.
That's she. Remember when you tell up on the phone and tell me I can do my boyfriend? See if you can do it.
Yeah, yeah, PS2. So, you sit down now? So, what going?
Me there, and girl, I come to share my man. So if I see me no woman at the road, make sure you can't tell me, don't hesitate. Come and play with him.
It's a good thing for you, girl, because you know, so we are friends, so you have to have your back like that.
Listen, brown man don't cheat. Black guy cheat, but brown man don't cheat. You understand? And first of all, you're pretty, you're nice, you're pretty all the Barbie them in the world. So listen, I'm not gonna cheat and I'm not gain a bun. Yeah? I'm not gonna do that.
You have sweetheart though. I see a sweetheart girl the motor road. You can get a bathroom taxi.
Yeah, man, you see that I do way, so.
bathroom. So, where your man there?
My man passed away a couple days ago.
He rough. Yeah, tell. Your friend the door, me give my number. And text me when you need them, yeah?
You mean?
My name Brad.
Alright.
Make sure you say call me, yeah?
Yeah, man.
You look nice.
You too.
You make man always want cheat, you know? Baby! Baby! Come here. I don't like when you sit down corner look for me, you know. Come here. Come run yourself, man. Come run yourself. How you do? Smoke, yeah, smoke. Lock up my watch, you smoke. And I waste all this man time right now, you know. You know, I'm gone here later. Touch me out. I'm back. Just kill man, energy, kill man virus.
You can't smoke for girl.
Up to you. What you have a problem with?
If your man have a problem, you must have a problem too.
The my man. Stop pick up clothes and my man.
Alright, girl.
He's mine. Watch me.
Damn.
You still a pout?
Not really.
You just sit down so all day around the place and I say get up, I don't know. I try to call one of your friends them, see if you can go chill or anything.
When my friend them they come look for me, I would talk or something. Me I come on, man, me alright.
You don't look alright. You know you too well. You don't look alright. You need to get yourself together, get little energy, go outside, get little fresh air. Me understand yeah, it's a loss, but you will gain more. A lot more is there to come.
Me alright, mommy, me I try. Me I do my best.
Get up, man. You don't look good for you to sit around like this. Here.
Alright.
I want to see if I can get something. Go get dressed or just call up a friend, go out with them, have a little drink and just relax your mind. You just sit around and cry and pout down yourself, lock up in your room and listen. Then listen, not gonna work for you. You only gonna break, and he wouldn't like to see you like that. You understand? Yeah, so just get up, man, get up. Get up and go and go put on something nice and call out a friend or something. And go chill and catch the fresh air. Yeah. No, I see you like this, man. Come! Yo.
Huh?
What's up?
No, like this time. Don't like this time.
What do you know?
No, like come here. You call out with it. So where that's it? You have any father?
How if you gone with him father your friend? That makes sense. She upstairs that change her clothes, but just tell her to get out of the house. Remember say him boyfriend pass off. So she don't stop sad. You understand? What you want over here?
Well, just the yard alone, you know. You must have used to get back in the days, you know. But through your things, your sister did used to do.
Think? Me think, say, yeah, my sister yesterday.
Yeah.
And she in a deep relationship. So I don't know what you're talking about. Good as I'll check him constantly like how you check me too.
Alright, you know, I'm telling you the truth. You know what I'm saying? You might 2 years to be close to your sister. My sister was best friend. We was close, you know. We play that video together, we drink together. We don't do nothing together. I'm here alone. For the past 17 years, I'm here alone. I know I'm 18 years old. I am also.
Boy.
You know what I'm saying? Between me and you know what I'm saying? Every night when I'm in the yard, you me a team out. Smile and everything.
Yeah, man.
Your daughter should have been my picking. What a cheap because she's a man, your sister there. You know, so she have fear picking to a different man. How if it be me? You know, not sleep. So, alright, like you don't want me back. And your daughter, mom dead. Could have, you know, kind of be a good man. Could have 1 and 2 rooms. We only down there, man. We need somebody down there.
1 and 2 rooms we do.
Huh?
With who? With who? Me or my daughter yata?
You me attack, man. You me attack.
So I make a call to me in my face and I say,
No, because...
listen to me.
No, listen.
That shit the seal. When me say that shit the seal, he seal, he go dark, he let up, he come back empty, he seal again. Me done with this about ya. He done mash up, he stink like a Titanic. Me not interested. No. The back and forth where you usually have with me and my sister, me not interested.
She ever tell us something like that? She ever tell her that? She can never tell her that. Me and your sister never had nothing in connection. We never exchange a word more than drink.
Happiness, man. You can't tell me foolish something. Yes, you can't see me and my sister no chat. I know that you're a fact. You hear? She malice me. Because he knows say me and you in it together. I don't know if you and him go there together. I mean, big man tell me, my intuition they never go wrong. I know if you're fat, you and him did there. Me know. So you don't make no sense, you no argument with me. That's why I have to burn you. And find proper man. You know, say me man a high standard man. Me did that run you down and I said, yes. Man a this, man a that. You know, see me pick me well taken care of. You know, nothing to worry about. If me did there with you, me have to run back at you with woman. For money. For take care of me pick me. And you come and talk foolishness to me. But you only come here to get me ignorant, you know. You realize how me comfortable? I'm yard. Right? No people will not there through me ceiling them. You understand? Nobody can use bamboo to juke me out of here. Me comfortable because me nah no worries. You understand me? Me did there with you. Me da stressed out, me da maga down, and me da black down, me black right now because you know when stress take woman, them black till they crusty. And that you would do to me. As a matter of fact, my daughter don't know me na this a standard, yeah. The ghetto side of mommy, she doesn't know. You understand me? So do. No come here and draw me tongue. Bo 1 and 2 little. If you don't know, go check my sister. She will take you up because she not no sense of person.
Listen to me. Nobody tell me why you know that you have the money. That's how I want you back. Hey! Listen up. My son down there, I'm down the whole house. You can't maintain him. I tell him about your daughter, well, alright. Yeah, he will alright, but you tell me earlier, saying they are stressed over mother dead. That doesn't sound like he alright.
She alright. He alright.
She need a
it's a loss. I see me when me did lose my mother. Me sit down and me stress and me frustrate myself over the situation. It is a loss. A loss make you stressed out and all type of stuff. But as long as me live, my daughter not for boy. You come here and talk about your hungry boy where you have done me. Go mind the pity, go give land to plow and plant up things and sell.
No,
you come mad.
You're mad.
Listen to
me.
There's no reason for it.
My son and galleys. You know how much galleys make me get down there? And you want me to send my son to plant yam
Your son a gallus.
and banana?
Your son a gallus.
What you mean?
Your son a gallus.
Yes, I'm son brown.
Are you not? Are you treating him? You know what? You best thing about left me hand.
Me no left
Why you
it.
want me in hand? Left me place.
Patricia, no left it yard.
Left man, left. No tarry. Left. And me just eat all tight and me left it. Left. Out of that face, please. Come out of the place. Come out. Come on, contact about 1 or 2 with your broke pocket self. What's happening to me idiot? Go check me sister. He will want somebody right there. Come out. One backward. More one backward. The simple will taking care of all that. Where are you done?
Listen to me. You know, me and I'm a real friend. But daddy call.
Oi, when you come on my yard, do. When you talking to me, not talk to me, so me picking used to them and hang on that style. I mean, you realize I'm keeping far down.
I'm not talking about no
All right.
right now. Me say daddy call and say if we don't fix all of this here, we not get no will.
Go sit down. Let me talk.
I don't want to get him to sit down. I never sit down again.
But that's not now taking. You know, you can. Everything me have to take. They take me man. They take me soon come here.
Take us man.
Soon come.
Black light.
Yes, I know.
Take us man.
Stop going like you don't know say Papa me did there with you and him did in more business that.
No, let me come a little closer. Look here, me and Papa never done nothing. All thing me and Papa used to do, I play Daddy house and go back go drink and chat. That's all.
Play with Dolly House. You know what is Dolly House? You know what is Dolly House? If you play Dolly House with me man, that makes sense. You have to shame yourself, man. Sometimes
First of all,
you see, and that's why
me
me
don't
and
fear man. You should fear man. Look, me didn't want him to do.
me realize I elevate myself from that. Me no more argument, but you keep on deny. You say you're him there. So me not say nothing further. You understand? But all me know is you hurt me. Not that the situation that you hurt me.
Daddy house.
Play with Dolly House. Oh. Anyways, you did tell me about it. So, I guess me can't believe you.
So you really feel something to take your man?
Of course, that type of person where you did. You remember say you're a bar girl and you're up and down and type of thing.
I love you, so you're boring.
What?
You're boring.
You ever see me say I'm boring, miss me comfortable? You're blind?
I know you're alone comfortable.
Thank God you're comfortable too.
Come on for that. Just done with that. Our daddy said me I deal with it right now. So it's either we quash all of this or make daddy take away with this somebody else.
We can't make one man cause if you
Exactly. And I mean you know.
You see a long thing me I keep me picking away from you.
I know me. Are you? Cause you every day I stay with my man at bar. One more don't or this. All you come see so we sit down and drink and a chat. And you come for your high hopes. I know me, are you?
Me not like it. I don't like them type of argument. That's all life continue.
Life alright so far.
Oh.
Alright so far, you don't know when the life could feel comfortable for me comfortable too.
Yeah.
Me not no
so
problem.
all the girl we know.
How old the girl be?
How you know?
How old the girl be?
She has 17.
So how old me we can be? Now look a bit off of breed, I breed.
I say me keep me distance right? It's like you don't understand. You make me fall out over foolishness.
I know me and you.
Are you? Because you keep on push.
You know with me now, when somebody accuse me of something, my life to prove it and go do it. You know, so that me should have know, me should have go do it for true. That me should have know, me should have go do it.
You like problem. You like it. You not stop. Alright. Anyways, me have some small clothes. Oh, your daughter slim or you fat?
My dog is slim.
Same girl.
Mm-hmm.
Good as all nice to know because you're not ugly.
Unlike you.
You like it?
No, I text me a text. Look.
You like it?
Look.
You like it?
I text me a text. Look, how are you? Me just meet other day me a text. You know see? So you say something to me and me say I like you.
As we said here, may have some very small clothes which we probably
Maybe
can't
they
fit
can't fit
there. So I'll let you come back on next time and go collect them from me.
So you can come too.
Oh?
Anyway, me go go by the cause me look what's sitting for the eat.
Yeah man, go on.
Alright. We can't unblock you now.
Me unlock a long time there with my text now.
I'm hot though. Some friend. Yeah, realize how long we've been friends for.
Yeah, I know that.
We are more than friends, we are family.
I know I'm
Nothing to you, right? And nothing can come between.
no girl. Not that thing.
You see, I know you know. I almost put let bygones be bygones. And you know say your boyfriend did and thing. But as you say me I go find somebody to you.
Alright.
If you are hot though.
So I want to feel.
Nothing I'm going. I go look for my boyfriend but me there for me. And come up the road. So I'm hot, you feel?
Yeah, tired man. So you plan to do? You know yeah.
Nothing, just chill out with my boyfriend because I love him so much. And I didn't care me go meet him father or something.
Yeah. So you going?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because I tell him say I want to take this thing serious. Because I don't want no boy to feel me.
That's true.
Right? I want to settle down with him.
Yeah. Unless if I'm my boyfriend dead, man, really, you know, nobody can mother with it. 1, 2, 3 relationship and bag man them.
That's why I say I go find you one boy where you not go play with the heart, but you want to be like my boyfriend.
Yeah.
Now we.
Want somebody
You want somebody like my
or
boyfriend?
better.
But you find him, man. You find him out there. Mm-hmm. Like it just though. Nice.
Thanks. And some boyfriend you buy though?
Mm-hmm. The top about boyfriend now. So, you did finish school? You did get through with the school thing?
Yeah. Remember say my father they are foreign, you know. So my mother work on everything and I go to one thing. But I want to go to college because I want to be an actress, so I want to go further that.
That lucky for you, you drop out of school, so you take your education, yeah, girl. I be like me drop out of school.
And I bother when I go to college, you know, you remember me and dash me because I said we are friends long time.
And you don't remember me when you get rich now.
I remember your girl.
If you remember me, come here out there. You don't catch me. You just wash my head and thing. Me comb it.
So I work with me.
Me
But
comb
they
it.
want to pull out for me one.
Me comb it here myself.
Oh.
I sun, you see the sun hot. If me go out, walk down the road right now, me scorch up. Sun hot, man. But me have to give thanks that I have life. Because if I never feel life, me could have there so see me. You boring, how you do?
I'll go walk or something. And if you can go from the river. You know, I feel the river vibes now.
That's touching, man.
me not really come out, so I appreciate the look walk. Because if I know you mood left me hard. So what you say?
Well, from give me a number, you know. When I stop from thinking about it, you know. I'm gonna call me still. In real life. Well, what make you have on your jaw this so? Things are gonna be alright, man. Just take hand for your jaw. You see it? So, like how your boyfriend did. So, wait, sorry if you talk about the losses. Here? So like how he did. We can't come in your life.
Well, I know that I go going on because you have a woman. And you know, say, woman is my best friend. So unless you go left far, or nobody with me, because I'm not share no man.
Well, anything you say, you know. I work with you, you know. You see, she carry me come to come meet you, you know. And she like gone in the bathroom, gone lock up. And smoke. I know if I did you in a film shoes, you don't do that. You don't want to carry water, come give me a lie, me I tell. So you hear what? Now I put that on my brain. You see me? Because you don't know say you want. Me and she cut off she. Like when I cut off a padlock and dash away. You hear me? So yeah, say, you think that is a good mission?
Well, if you say you're not done, then we see where you go from yourself.
Yeah, man, you done right there, so you know. Because you, like, you're better Barbie fishy, you know. You have a nice smile, I like your smile, I like your lips. You see you start blush already. Go on. You know what? Come bring it to meet my father over there. I want to meet her too, you know.
So I like walk with me from my room, you know.
You just shut along. You know where you see footstep and step.
Your future who?
Wife.
So what's your name, Miss?
Tashi.
Tashi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So let me ask you a question now. When we keep the fear, because we have to really lock out everybody out of my food place now.
Daddy, if you ask about key, I'm not going this up. This one belongs to me, so why ask about key? You know, ask me a woman them where can come here.
You know,
You love drink from one woman like have you in your yard.
you don't feel so. You just feel like we misplaced it somewhere. You still go over dinner, are you?
No, I'm back up on your yard, no, I stay over.
I don't think she has still.
No man, that good man. She can't stay over either.
You get cold and all son?
She had my rules and law. What me say goes. I know what she said goes now, what me say goes.
Alright. It's like how I'm a good girl that do.
Your name?
So, we're browning there.
Me a brown there again. I can't talk about browning. Right. Browning the palm agenda again. Drop off my calendar. You want hear this?
Why to go home with a killer father, you know, not to wash your rice, we just dash in there. And your rice, white and white.
I'm going to cook.
Well, I do. If you couldn't wash your rice, I have no time to wash my hands instead of the rice. I'm picky. Just wash me and pick the rice, throw it in my pot.
Well, I'm not going for you, man.
Yeah.
So, I'm buy a bag of juice.
Yo, miss, can your boyfriend go buy 650? You come out and what?
Man, you suck 16 we have to about.
Go and carry her home, please. Right now, you.
Daddy, later.
Nice meeting you.
Daddy, come on, guys. You guys are nice to meet you.
Go on, sir. Go on, that's what I'm doing. Go on, what's happening?
No, come on. Now go. But you can't come out and talk to you. When you come out,
Look good, man. Jesus. Alright.
Mama, me tell her.
Tapanga lang sa man.
Oh, I enjoy. Me tell her. I'm more than enjoy. Right now, I can't sleep good tonight. Me had night cheap on me. So you say you feel up now?
Yeah, I'm feeling love again.
Sure.
Of course, I'm sure.
Alright. I love it too, I know. I love it too. Things are gonna work out for you fine in life. Yeah? I'm not doing nothing if you lose my life. Anything I do, good things not gonna be here. It's right now, I'm not gonna do nothing to lose my life, because I don't wanna lose a beautiful, strong man like you, I tell you, and you see house upstairs, you see I finish, the unfinished house, half fighter for me, and half fighter for me daddy. So right now we need to make some more money, we can finish it, we can go in there.
Yeah.
Come on, left out to your mother's place. You see me? I don't really like all of my money in my mother's place, I like it, so. You have a man now, so you know you can elevate yourself.
Alright.
You see? In a real life. I like your hairstyle too, I know.
Thanks. You got like a first and see it.
At first I see it, but remember somebody there with it. So-called browning, some woman and I smoke. I like when woman smoke and drink brown and gamble. You don't gamble.
No, sir.
You don't smoke. But you will save the money though.
Yeah, I love save. And work.
What kind of work you like though?
Well, you don't know woman work, any woman work me do.
Like babysit, massage your foot them, make something there.
Yeah, I'm kind of nails too.
What about this? Ouch. Like really?
I don't know what happened.
What do you mean you know what?
I don't know what she do here.
Where me and me do here?
What you do here?
And me? Are you really called friend?
In terms of your name left, so
You?
Me a left. Me a left man. Me.
Come here. Come here.
Me a left. Oh, me a cry me,
wait. How
I don't go
Where
on.
me? So you really take my man?
can I not take your man and say your name left? Talk now.
You me a left. Oh, wait. Me a left.
Come on.
So my problem should know.
Girl, don't touch me now. I'm telling you that now.
Me a left.
Because me and friend all along. And I really my man, even
Girl,
if
I know your man.
Shut
You
up.
say your name left.
If you left, you really have a jump and take my man. I said
Why
it
are we
still.
that? The man for take.
Brown man. You're
Me?
really,
There you go.
you're really.
So you don't see me?
Oi,
So you put
look
the man in
at
front
this
of
man.
me.
You're a man.
My
You're
man.
Him don't want you, first of all.
He don't want you either.
You don't want me?
Huh? Me a left.
Come out of me. Girl, come out.
Don't touch me.
You want to fight me about man?
I'm not fight a girl, but I'm my man now. You don't get it? It's my man now. So watch out.
See, I really this
I
and
know what you're talking about.
Use that word.
Evelyn, what's going on in here? Now come on, this is so good out here, this cussing. Come here. Walk on in my house.
Daddy, you just come in there and ask my mom when to the apartment. No, understand, I'm here, she not there.
No, hold on. Let me understand this clearly. Because the last time we checked, you and she dead. And you and she dead. Which one of them are your rightful woman? That man, look, I say, him come in here, your woman in there. Which one of them come in there for your woman?
The
Which one of them?
But daddy.
Who coming for your woman? That one, no. Which one of them?
I want the daddy coming from woman daddy.
Roland?
Me coming for your woman.
Yeah, I'm sure
Yes,
right?
you.
No. First of all, she's my best friend. Other day, me can't go meet her, you know?
One thing to tell us.
Daddy, I black me daddy.
Come
And
here.
this,
No, listen. No, no, my house. You see the thing by the road, you're grabbing feet bars. But you see, area so. You know, it's enough money to pay feet. And also set it down, pan.
look for her too.
We don't matter how she look, you know. But the young girl needs to have sense. You know what I say now? I say no one 1-1, so no one fight. Young miss, where you pass? Come here. You stand right
You
here.
really, you stood too low.
You stoop too low too.
Yes, we take up a garbage like this here.
I have current garbage
I wish I
worse.
saw garbage.
No, listen. Let's go home. Went home, please. I don't. Home.
Girl,
You know what? We're going to fight. Go please. Go please.
Oh,
Yes. Yes, tell me.
what girl?
come woman. Go on.
You feel me up and again? Yes.
Night only.
Now, baby, where you come from?
They all my friend them.
One of your friend them. And you call me?
You never have my phone.
Good time. So there's nothing else that happen where you have to talk to me about?
No. Alright.
Okay, you sure you recover now?
Hey man.
Eh? Hey, your sister feel I'm different, you know, girl. Yay! Yes.
Well, mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah, woman, you know, I am a mother, so you know, I'm not going to for you.
What happened?
I never done with my friend, I come from. Don't have my boyfriend.
You have one your boyfriend now?
Yeah, but you meet one boy and something. But when I look at something go on and I down there, that's why I see him coming so late.
Yeah. What happened? Talk to me.
Well, when I down there, him tell me say him and him girlfriend break up, so I down on me and we are chilling and something. And the girl pop up out, you know. I want to fight me off. Yeah, me have to beat up the two of them and come out.
No, Tashi. I didn't expect you to say you have to beat up the two of them. Me never fight over one man yet, you know.
And I fight
For me,
over
I grow,
man.
me never fight over man before, you know. Me no expect that from my daughter. No man no worth to fight over. If I somebody case, make she turn with him. And I put yourself in a situation there. You hear me say? Don't make it happen again, you talk boy, you fight over man. Fight over which man? Me make sure you have clothes. Make sure you have food to eat. Make sure you have everything, and your father definitely make sure that happens too. And he show your love and care, so no man no worth you fight over. Don't me hear that again. You hear me say? Don't make it happen again. As a matter of fact, just come out of me say right now, because I'm disappointed in you. Me not lie. Boy fight over man. Listen to me. Little girl. You see when you grow bigger? Me no want to hear that crying, man. Yes, alright.
Girl, what happened? There. Where you come from? Tell me what this is come from. Girl, where you come from down this?
No, what me walk out, I go.
So say I shot me, I go.
The glad to me buck up in a girl. Gauge what now? You remember a boy, brown boy me that talk to?
Yeah, man. Him see man.
Me introduce my cousin to him. My cousin, you know? And you know, say, the boy go behind my back and go do it with my cousin. Like, really. You know, say, I go up at the boy yard and I go see my cousin up there.
Your cousin, me, you know. Your cousin.
Girl, if you want something just boil up in it, me couldn't not more than just grab it to them and start boil them. Hmm? See a lucky thing saying Papa come to you know. Come the dog, kill it to them in a man.
So girl, you could tell me about the fight and you could make me cool down there, girl.
Me know say what that join me. Yo, it break my heart, you know, say me love you boy so much and the boy really go cheat on me with my cousin. After me carry him up there and me go introduce him to my cousin nice and proper.
So you know, meet your cousin. Better when you meet your cousin. Better girl there, eyes him. You know the little weird there boy there eyes
and
him.
me introduce him to my cousin, right? And my cousins, you know, say my cousin they rape me from a man because she rape me from a man, she would, even if my boyfriend that look at she wouldn't do that.
Exactly. That's why I tell you, say your cousin that rate your girl. Me I tell you, best you a family brother. I love you. Coming on there say, me a friend and something.
Up to now, me should have beat.
Girl, come on, go down there tomorrow, na girl.
No, forget about that. Me not go down there because me have a plan.
What kind of plan you
Me I got turn that boy into my stepson.
Right plan, a true, na girl.
Because you see him father,
True.
him father love young girl.
True.
And I go put on the sexiest battery that I'm having in my closet. And my neatest belly skin blouse and catch up my ear well nice. And do my lashes. And I go down there on him father. What me say?
And that's your
Girl,
brown
I
girl.
have to get him father. And I go make him hurt. Because him hurt me. The boy break my heart right now. Me don't know heart. Me heartless right now.
Girl, I don't know what to say to you, but you say you have one plan.
Right now, me I talk about it. Me head that hurt me. 2 years the boy hurt me.
Girl, just stop stressing yourself over the boy, no man.
Come on.
Come here, go down a road and talk. Just stop stressing yourself about it.
Me say me should get on there and stab the boy in the heart.
Girl, no worry about it.
You know what I say now? That's what you are still on. Why? Something really loud. Where are you?
The dumpling and sausage to the yam. Look at me.
Alright, you're the lady in the house. You know, like how many there.
So you got this Sunday.
You never know what trauma there, so you don't have to worry about him. But as you said, even if he come back here, you is the lady at the house.
Yes, so we said I was worried.
Oh.
Need a worry.
Oh, you can go out and cook it up there. Sexy girl. We're not going to last night.
That's true.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. You're not supposed to hear, you know.
You don't hear the good news.
What kind of good news?
I'm your stepmom, you know.
What?
You mean what? Remember when you hurt me that girl? By the way, you know what I want to talk to you. Look at boy, come go in your room.
Then my father. You can't good me. Where's my father? My old father.
Ever hear a saying say? What am I saying say?
Yeah. You know wicked enough.
Boy, come go in your room. You don't talk to you from calling father. Right?
Food I cook for? What's store over there, sir?
Yes, to your father. Let's make him alright.
Yo, daddy. Yo, daddy.
Where you can
Yo,
come go in your room.
Man, I have to tell you, because you have to step, madam. I don't want to step out and walk one. You hear me? I tell you. I'm going to fire that, you know. Yo, I tell you, that, you know. Yeah, me and you don't stay there. You have to come out here.
So come and mind me put you out.
Why you put me out there?
Me and the woman of the
But why you put me out and I'm my daddy's house? You're mad. Let's start killing thing, sir.
Don't worry. It's
Yo.
your kind of family, okay?
Your family, your backside.
Your family coming. Right. Go on your room, look why I'm not talking to you. Right. You know it.
Walk the son in there.
Daddy, I can't leave us with this, I know.
Look at
We can't leave us up.
what?
Because this piece of girl there.
Hold on, the
come
man
back up.
that chase me, you know.
I'm in one doing. I am stepmother.
Tell him. Come and think a joke. I'm not in no argument with him either. Right? Oh, me and him now going to live here.
That's him, I think.
Yes.
Daddy, I don't understand that. Everybody make care to my one. Eh? What if you jobs and you take up it? What kind of daddy you be?
Listen.
You're a work this father, man.
No. Your father want to feel young again. Me I get to hold now. When we take up hold, man, we get hold. I need to be
No,
young.
daddy, you can't look for up with yourself like with that. If you
Like what?
You can't be that man. She can't be cool. Daddy,
Look at
daddy, look up for
I
him,
didn't put
man.
myself with something like you.
Water.
Look boy like you, your father more mature, have more sense, more brain.
As she not have sense to put
Water.
that picking on the belly there. No, my young girl, no one. No. Now crosses. I play a hooligan in one life.
You know what
You know what? Me love Mr. Crosby.
Mommy can. Nice, you know the one so right here, so. Nice. Looking bright.
Actually, I'm in the house. I'm going to cook some chocolate. You come to wreck my life?
Baby, why you alright? You
Too
mean?
much.
I'm just messing with your work, me and make the belly.
True.
I'm going here, clean up now.
You know, listen later. I'm going to put a study like that. I'm going to have the whole house I'm going to feel. The whole house.
More than you ever did when you have a baby.
Jesus! Still that's it. What you say?
So more than you ever did hear me.
Wanna hear? Alright. Now go to the back room. I will shower. So when you're done cook, you eat the meal, and I put the sun there.
Make sure you wash it good.
Why that good?
That's something then.
You're bright. It's ever clean. You better try and make sure you come home and can manage tonight, you know.
You go on now.
Why? I go to the sun loser. My God.
Hello. Yeah, girl. Guess what me see yourself today? No, my boyfriend and him so-called girlfriend. I can't believe it. You want to say them look two big ugly couple. Oh, it is not this. You want to say them? I was so shocked. They were shocked into them cemetery, you know. Mommy, you know the super look here. Alright, it's a party. Mommy, what's up?
Please, you have what's on my brain. I know who my father be.
Child, what's the matter with you? Every day is the same thing. Father. You don't need to know your father.
Mommy, me need if
You don't need to know your father because the truth will hurt you, my child. It will hurt you.
from me a baby mommy and tell me till me big no mommy and tell me who my father. More and more who mommy that puts my brain.
All I need to know is me, your mother. The one who give birth to you, That's all I need to know for now. Your father, you don't need to know that man. It will hurt you, it will sink your life, trust me. Sure.
Mommy, I want to know who my father be.
Listen, child, you two could be on ups, but guess what? You see this community? Try your best not to date anyone around this side. Your father is promiscuous in the past and he's still promiscuous. Suppose maybe the entire neighborhood is a brother and sister. Who knows? Just please don't date anyone. Keep this to yourself for now. Deal?
Alright, mommy.
And one more thing. You need something to do, please go down to Jennifer down the road. And so give her this for me. She asked me to pick it up in South today, so give this to Miss Jennifer. And Orion come back. Don't talk to anyone, alright?
Alright.
You can go on now. But father. Rubbish.
Good evening. Don't like take shortcut job doing no man. What happened?
Yeah.
What's up man? Other day I admire you though. You know what I like you though? You see me? So we short like we can make a good couple, you know.
So now you live there with my friend.
Boy.
The brown girly.
Boy, you say my Barbie, you know. And she can't clean up your house. She can't cook a one night dinner. For me. I say she a Barbie. So those three, you know, Barbie, I like you. I don't take you right now. So where you go?
You know what I say? One of my mother friend, my mother send me to go drop off stuff for her friend. Go give her friend something. So I go drop off and I go back in her yard. But you know what I say? I did kinda like, you know, it's true I'm friendly and thing. I don't want to shake things and me take her man. So you can get my number, man.
Here what? I don't really have your come so long now, son, you know. I'll go up so here, I'll give you my number. You can text me when I reach home because the phone, you know, the phone you can't go up on the road because it's hot. Enough hot in the heat. You get me? So take my number now. Alright, number 386
386
0
0
22
22
6.
6.
Yeah.
Alright.
And my name Brad.
Yeah, man.
Here. You see after today? I'm here there, you know. Matter of fact, can I have no money in that district? Yeah?
No, I'm not for date no man in that district, you know.
A good thing. So you hear what? One character not to trust you, you know, later. You hear me link up. Make sure you link me if you link, you know.
Alright.
Alright.
Me and her friend and she did come say she like it from you know, me not running her friend, you know.
Brown na use, brown na want nobody.
Oh.
It's my Barbie. I mean, what kind of Barbie that? And she can't wash. She can't cook, she can't clean. So right now, you know, say, if you do from that, you know. You know what a dream about you. Sleep it up on my mind, I catch a wet dream. Yeah, me I tell you. So right now, I'm getting a chance. But I'm supposed to make one baby together. I'll come home. No get a picnic, you know.
So I can make baby.
What you mean?
So as a queen baby, I want baby there for your man.
Yeah, you're right, girl, to bring my child. What's that about? I'm not well, you know. So I love a woman. I love a woman. My love comes with passion, not pain. Yeah? Yeah.
So where you live?
Yeah, man, over some live, man. Big mansion over here. Yeah, big mansion, you know. You mean?
So for that man.
Yo, me tell you, so come up here for yard. As a breeze a blow up, say, those are actually come from here, so. Start going, so man. Sure. As a breeze a blow up. Sure.
Baby, that breeze a blow up.
Alright. I'm putting your style with my sister. I want them to know one another.
My sister. Where you my sister? Where you my sister?
Or your brother, listen.
My brother from who? How me ma? How me man?
Oh, come some sister.
Let
Eh?
me man know.
I saw when you're young, I should have flash a seed everywhere you go, boy.
Listen to me. You see your mother? Go and ask your mother, Pookie, yeah? Go home and ask your mother, Pookie, who me be. And she will tell her.
Be, I'm gonna leave you.
No! Me say that your brother.
Me boss say it before.
Wait. I only want to do nothing. Call that abomination. Out of abomination. Your mother know all that, tell her.
My mother said that me not introduce me. How me not just say before? Me get frustrated.
Go on home to your mother. No.
I can't believe it. I'm going to get strokes. Daddy, what kind of money, man?
But no, so it's that girl is too far now.
Daddy, I can't handle that, daddy, man.
Listen.
Eh? As much money I have.
I don't know what we get, but definitely she's my daughter.
What's your favor, you?
I don't business, but I me taking mother virginity and me mother pregnant and I'm present. So I feel it.
Now, let me tell you something. You saw me that girl?
You never sleep with
Listen.
her. You sleep with her?
No, daddy.
That good.
Listen.
Thank you, Jesus.
Listen.
Thank you, Jesus.
Daddy. You saw me that girl? I tell you, say, you can't go show me all my siblings, them, you know.
It's hard.
Oh, you mean hard? You have a little bad boy I grew up. You have young son. We have grew up. And you tell me, say, look how near me go. My sister was really chopping and breathing, daddy. Oh, you don't
No,
go.
me stop. See, me there dad left me and come know say you don't go around, they go breathe in. Yes. Anyway, go straight up your room.
Alright.
Go check me, mother.
How are you cook?
Huh?
How are you cook? Food smell nice, man.
I don't go to chicken still, when they don't go check me, mother.
Alright.
I don't know how no money I got no house, no church. I can't live at the best in the house. Eh? Curry chicken, sauce of curry chicken. No. Huh? Could it? No onion, no tomato, nothing. Oh, poor me.
Mommy. Mommy.
What's up?
How you watch?
This movie called Wicked Stepmother.
Stepdad.
Well, stepdaughter, yeah, Wicked Stepdaughter.
Oh.
What's the problem now?
So pause it, mommy.
Pause it.
Yeah. Hey, mommy, I have something to tell you. Why are you not like it? I'm not like any neighbor, you know. Sorry, I should be a hat. Mommy, where you open the door for?
Excuse me?
Sorry, mommy.
Sure.
Yeah, that's it. No, come like the neighbor there, no, they watch people too much. Yeah, they tell me somebody have to have no boyfriend. in a community. Remember I tell me?
Yes.
So, me did see one little boy. Me like him and he talk to me. So, the boy said if you meet up, so me and the boy meet up this morning. When I see me come out of the yard, mommy. So, when the boy meet me up now, me and the boy go in the yard. When me go to the boy yard, the boy, like, he want to introduce me to my father. My father says, stop. Where meet his sister from? So, mommy, me say, sister. The boy named Brad. And he brown.
The boy name who?
Brad.
Name who?
Brad. And he brown. And then, he feels when his father talks to him. So, me go call him man. Me go, he boy, me tell us me like me. So, me go say, his father slap me as if he go on home to my mother. And I say, me and my brother.
Interesting.
So, mommy, how you look so? Like you know so. So, what am I making me?
Anything I hear? It's either concern you or so.
Mommy, I want to get to be partner.
You do want, you know? We didn't want to say avoid this boy in the community. You understand? We want you.
Mommy, but tell me for say talk to boy see me and the boy look at me. So we just exchange number.
Anyways, I'm to tell you the truth. You sure you can contain the truth?
Yes, mommy, one day too. We man with me.
Oh, the man, look, I see the man in brown and
The boy we are talking.
the father, the man say I'm father, I'm daughter.
Mommy, tell you honest truth, he kind of brown. And he have hair on his head.
That's it true. That's it true.
And my father. So mommy,
Your father.
so mommy, what me? So mommy. So mommy, say I had my father for a long time, mommy, for a long time. But it's business nobody want to hear.
You don't understand.
What do you mean by me not understand, mommy?
Your father was a... Oh, I can't even pronounce the word. Your father was this promiscuous and he's still that type of guy. Can you imagine few years ago, he dated 2 sisters on both sides, father and mother side. You understand? When I was even pregnant with you, my daughter, the same guy moving him son. Introduced me to him and said, okay, then this is my son. At first he told me he's childless. Your father is a so-called whore. You don't understand. You understand me? Him sex Jennifer, Samantha, Nikisha, Abigail, the entire neighborhood. That's why I told you, do not date anyone from this surrounding. Because it could be a sister or some blood, whatever be the case. You don't understand. That's why I told you that the truth might be painful. To just leave it alone because of me as the mother, but you don't listen. You just want to be ups and down and boyfriend guy like you and you give exchange number. Rubbish. Sure.
Me, I can't cause a problem. I can't go back a road, yeah. You be like for me, I can't go back a road. No, I hear you.
Sit down now.
No, I hear no.
Understand, say you did deserve to know your father, but not everything,
Me,
not every truth you must
so,
know.
So, mommy, suppose me to get big now and I work and something. You know, suppose I me go out the mommy and they with my father, mommy.
All that too, but thanks be to God. Give praise. Give praise to Almighty that didn't reach my daughter. You understand?
Mommy, understand. Mommy, me I go on the road. Me I go talk to my friend, the brown girl. You remember the brown girl from the road?
Which one?
Brownie man. You remember the brown girl from the road? What did they with the boy?
There with which boy?
Brother.
Or the same, your brother?
Yeah.
Your so-called brother?
Yeah. And he said must him and him left or something like that. She did some link her about something because we didn't go up on the road or something. So I don't know. I go link her.
I'm sorry, my daughter. I love you.
Yeah.
Despite everything, despite adding it through
I
for
feel
years.
no way, but you should have told me mommy.
That's true. I'll work on it.
Because suppose me did go, then me go look.
I understand. Guess what? I'll make it up back to you. I'll cook your favorite, right? I'll cook your favorite.
Alright, mommy. So
You know?
come here.
I'll do that for you. I'm sorry.
Alright, so
I'm
come here.
sorry. I'm sorry.
Alright.
So, let me ask you a question, Pookie.
You just pop up so. This is your house.
No, I'm free to come here. You think I say I'm still a parent to this? Listen now. Yeah, I'm glad you want to mash up my life.
To what extent?
You say the daughter, you know, say, your daughter, my daughter, yet you said I'm going to do it with son. Supposedly lay down together.
Excuse me? You think I'm some careless mom to be sending my child to some place to your son? I didn't know she was seeing your son. How dare you? Huh?
Samantha, me understand that, but me tell you pack up and go because I introduce you to my son, what me did about there. Eh? No liar, man, like I want to do that. Me carry my son and say, alright, I'm cheer or something, take care. You run off with the belly. I see them still be a good man, I'm still running down and find you, and rent a room for you and put you in there. And yet, this is how you deceive me by making a daughter. We tell your daughter not to deal with nobody in the neighborhood. Me don't want to hear no man until he's 40. Then the time that the neighborhood is dead out. I'm some fool in the 7 years, man. Like mother, like daughter. I say you used to cheat for me too, you know. I say you used to go along.
You could workless boy, papa. When me say boy like mother, like daughter, and boy me usually cheat for you. You Mr. Promiscuous youth. When I stop work and breathe, Tom, Jack, I'll puss. Don't do that. Of course I told her not to date anyone but to watch. You don't listen. Children these days don't listen. Boy like mother, like daughter. All I do is stop hearing. Stop hearing then. Since you're paying rent, stop it. I still have to eat, I still have to pay bills nonetheless. I still have to survive. Which are without you? You think 15,000 can survive me and my child? Can it? No.
Samantha, humble yourself, man. Don't worry about that. Even this still pay, because you know, say, I still want you back. I want a son, you see me? So no, go on, someone. Although me and my little mom's a yard, because she hot, you know, fiery, you know. So, I don't want you to come back home. And we have it two on a yard. One brown, you know, mom, dark chocolate and my white chocolate. Just come back home, man. Come cherish you home. You can't stay far. Instead of me to pay for this and rent, you just come live in the front room. As simple as that. You know, you're my first love, see me. Oh, yeah, Musa.
Just shut up. That will never happen. I rather sleep with a madman than to lay myself back with you. Stupid. But first, love. First what? I will never put myself back with you. Idiot.
Alright, this year I sleep with a madman. No mad out myself. No worry, baby. No mad out myself, yeah?
I'll be waiting.
I'll just better wait.
Leave.
Leave!
Leave. You stop here right then. Stop here and don't blackmail me emotionally or financially blackmail me. Leave.
Love is your way.
What is love? What is love without understanding or reasoning? What is love?
Love is a 4-letter word. All you have to do is just find it.
Born like mother, like daughter. Come out, man. Come out. I'm for your one back. You're all like. Man, shut up your ball head. You want to come give me? I infect me. I don't want madman infect me. I inject with this long gun. Rubbish.
done wash?
No, big, let's wash clothes now. She wash clothes in the machine same way.
Just a come from another make someone.
Nothing else to do.
Then daughter, come to my house with my son.
What?
We don't understand the fact. I'm a daughter. I'm a son, I'm mixed together. It's a lucky thing I did today. If we never there, they would have broke loose.
Daughter's what? Daughter's son. So that means say they my family run.
That, no man, no do that. We stop it before it happens. But my son did faint in my house before me. Come like you know understand what I'm going right now. You know that. You didn't eat the food I'm left? Come and cook curry chicken in it.
Normally, you know that my smoke here, I'm just curry chicken right now. Me and hurry up and hang out the rest of the clothes. I come back and eat something.
You know what? Because I come like I don't know what I done me gas. Me just tell us I'm just not too long cook curry chicken before we go up so.
I said, baby, I don't want no curry chicken to eat. Man, brown stew, man. Them be a curry.
Where are you?
A curry I eat yesterday.
Yeah, curry in the morning, curry in the afternoon, curry in the evening. Why I said? I still food.
So when I go to bathroom, how that work?
You have to go to the bathroom. If you don't go today, you go tomorrow.
I'll call him. Hello? Mommy? You know, so I have something to tell you about emergency. Meet me on the road, please. Hurry up. And something important, man. When you come to tell you?
morning. What kind of sign that?
Kind of vomit.
I'm really kill me. I don't feel so good. I can't eat nothing.
Who you breathe for?
The papaya.
Who's Papa? Who's Papa?
My boyfriend papaya did man.
Who's Papa?
But my ex-boyfriend father.
Oh, Papa, who's Papa? Where you come from?
I don't know what that's how it's hard, man.
Tall Papa. That's our brother father.
Yes, my ex-boyfriend father. What happened? You know him? Yesterday?
You sure Papa you breathe for?
Yeah, we meet. So I don't know fit me for. Think I just keep me again. Feel me. I'm alone today.
You know some love, that's true. Me have something to tell her. You know say Papa your father?
Stop joke, mommy. Stop joke. Stop joke. Please stop joke.
Look for me, look like me a laugh.
Papa, I'm what?
Papa your papa girl. Oi, running. Running. Running.
Tashi, me have get them the face. Anyways, me have something to talk to you about. Tell the truth. You see, me don't know how you got to be, but your father is not who you think he is. Yeah?
No way, no, drugs, man. No, a long time in the man. A long time in the
Just listen to me.
Long
I know that I case.
long.
Listen to me. Alright. You see difference between you and she?
Yeah, she a baby and me a big girl.
No. As in, she have more Indian than or something. You realize it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Can we get your side and she get that side?
Ah, God, I'm not gonna tell you this. Tashi, your father I know your father.
Eh?
Yeah.
And I mean no sense.
Tashi, who you think of your father is not your father. Let me just get it right. Your jacket.
Eh?
Yes.
Jacket?
Yes. To the man that me give you to, you're not his child.
I mean, I like you tell me. So I can't because from what they say one to YouTube, but where camera?
Tashi, some things you need to take serious. Listen
Where
to me
camera?
now. Oh, God. I know your father.
What you mean?
Your real father named Popeye.
Papaya?
Yeah.
You mean? I want papaya name boy. And I live up the road and I have also near drugs.
Him say man.
Eh?
Yeah. Him say man your father.
So Brad's are what papaya?
My son.
Brad's are what to you?
I know nothing to me but I your brother.
Me bread? Who?
I your brother. Yeah. Me sorry for hold this fire for so long, but I your brother.
Mommy,
What?
I'm pregnant for Brad's.
What?
I'm pregnant for Brad's.
Me no hear what you say good. Pregnant for who?
For Brad's mommy.
Your brother?
Oh, me fi know
Christ. And that's why people have to hold things from their children in a man. Tashi, how will you deal with this situation? Me sorry because of my fault. Like if I didn't know say your brother you will go there so. And you're hiding from me for so long. Can me tell you say if him and you and woman are go war and so you have to leave that situation alone. Jesus Christ. So how far along are you?
Mom, me just sure me just find out.
Confused. But how you come breed for me? You listen me with the young pitney? Eh? You not even could have protect yourself and the things out of road. You could have protect yourself at least. Jesus. You another man the pitney. I feel him horse me now. But I don't know for them. Hello. No, nobody with all of them there's something there, because you're full of mouth right now, you know. Thank God me get to you. I have something to tell you, my love. Congratulations. Your son just built a bomb down on my yard. Yeah. My daughter, as a matter of fact, your daughter is breathing for your son. Oh, you see the little girl where you keep on a question about if I your child, if I your child, if I your child. Yeah. Are you pick me? And you get pregnant for your boy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
What kind of work this boy you mean?
Me? How me fi what list? What me what list with? Me did I look feel better for my daughter you talk about what list? Listen to me, man. Don't come to me with your foolishness. Right now, me what me need you for this, come down to the house so we can find out something or do something with the matter.
When we come to the and ask all these girls here about me, you don't tell me that this girl comes weak. You better weak yourself up there.
Me tell you that because you don't have the money to take care of Pitney and plus your whore. So what you want me to do? Eh? I what you want me to do? So I suffer with one little baby.
So if I'm a whole life, make you not tell me to my daughter. I know you make a little girl come on the yard, complete to my son. What a bad nation from the island.
Before you tell your little careless son to wrap up his body parts and to fling your elbow, my daughter will catch in a fight with one next man over and one. Listen to me. Come to my house, make me and you have a real discussion. Come down here.
You ain't going to listen to me.
Little girl. No, Jesus, not to remember what is it here. I swear. You're going to breathe for your own brother. That can't come in. That can't come. It can't come. Because that's a crisis. That can't come here. How it will look from this family? This is an up-class family. My daughter breed for him brother. How it will look? Answer me now. How it will look? And me tell you to protect yourself. You still on your ball over the first man with it. He better you did breed for him. At least me feel a little better. But you're going to breed for your own brother.
I'm going to breed for him and he's dead.
Me say, he better did him a breed for before him pass up more than you come breed for this. Hey, little girl, tap your eyes. Tap your eyes. Right now is not your time. Listen to me.
Papai,
Alright.
one deal. Não look so sad.
Why? Oh, I think I got me boy.
Go so mo, ka nila like you. One deal.
Son,
Your son, one deal son. You see?
The top and top to the right of life, man. Bridge with daughter.
You see what do?
Reading one sister, man. One sister.
So Papa, where live?
You want to say you want to see your man, but what?
So all you have to make that happen?
How would you do something like that? You asked her day and night. She said no.
What if your son check me?
My father, man. No, check me.
Because if she don't want to talk, I must sit like that.
You know, what I call your sister.
That's rough, you know? Rough.
Oh man. Trust me, baby. You know what I'm saying? Your sister pick me and did my pick me. Yeah man. And in breed fear my son. Brownie. How about Brownie? Pregnant. Oh, you're talking about the brown girl that I'm my yard. I'm my woman, that man. My baby man, that I'm put in there. Your daughter. And I'm my daughter. No, tell me that.
Popeye. Popeye. Jesus Christ. Popeye. Popeye.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain